Hello, today we will guide you through how to switch from New Outlook to Classic Outlook. Outlook currently offers two interfaces, the modern New Outlook and the familiar Classic Outlook. If you're in the New Outlook and want to return to the Classic experience, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect so the switch is smooth and your work stays intact. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mail and calendar, especially if you've just signed in or haven't opened it in a while. If you're working on important drafts or have unsaved changes in an email, it's a good idea to save those now so nothing is interrupted during the switch. Next, look to the top right area of the Outlook window. You should see a control labeled New Outlook. It appears as a small toggle switch and may sit near the title bar or just above the ribbon, depending on your version and screen size. This control is the key to moving between the two experiences. Now, click the toggle. If you're currently using the New Outlook and want to return to Classic, switch this toggle off. When you do, Outlook will prompt you with on-screen instructions. These prompts can include a confirmation message and, in some cases, a brief explanation of what will change. Read the message carefully and confirm that you want to proceed. Outlook may need to restart or reload the interface. That's normal and only takes a moment. Your email, calendar items, and folders remain the same. This change is only about how the app looks and behaves. Follow the on-screen procedure until the switch completes. If you're asked to opt out of features or to provide quick feedback, you can do so and then continue. Once Outlook finishes reloading, you'll be back in the Classic interface. You'll notice the traditional ribbon, familiar menus, and the layout you're used to. If something looks off, try maximizing the window or resizing the reading pane. Sometimes the layout adapts to your window size. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the New Outlook toggle, your organization may have disabled it, or you might need to update Outlook. Also, if you use add-ins, note that availability can differ between New and Classic. Finally, you can always switch again later using the same toggle. That's it. You've successfully moved from the New Outlook back to Classic Outlook by opening Outlook, locating the New Outlook toggle in the top right, clicking the toggle, and following the on-screen procedure to confirm the change.